Hello, Anindya ji. How are you?
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, of course, of course. I'm able to hear you.
Yeah, just a moment, please. Today I don't know, I was not able to access from my desktop,
Okay.
and there has been some sort of a trouble. So I'm just accessing it from my mobile.
Oh, wow. Good.
How have you been, Sudhirji? I am upset about something, and can I talk to you about it?
Yes, of course. Sure.
Yeah, you never said that you are an YouTuber, you are uploading videos, but you never asked me before uploading the video. You should have asked me, right?
Uh, I think so. You forget. In our first conversation, I asked to okay, Ananda. I have seen your lots of video on YouTube. So you denying me? No, no. You,
Yeah, because there was no
my
videos
video,
as such. Anyway,
my video is not available. My video is not available. So I told you, don't worry, I will upload you.
okay, okay. No, I'm not upset. I'm just kidding. I'm just. I thought I'll play this prank with you, and you will be very serious. No, I failed
No, no, no.
miserably.
I'm not serious because I think so. You have already pre-approved logo, right?
Yeah, so you caught me there, right? Okay, no problem. Okay, how are you, Sadhiji?
So,
No, because I never knew
have
that.
you seen any video?
Yeah, I today, because you know how I saw. I'll tell you. Somebody today told me. I said, "How did you learn about me?" And and he said that I saw your videos. I said, "Saw my video?" Well, no, sir. I saw, and he's telling with certainty. And then he's saying that's then he's saying about your channel. And moment he said, "Okay," I said, "Oh, see, I
Okay.
think Sudhirji might have done." Yeah, how has your day been, sir, today?
Day was good as
Day was
usual.
good.
Not much
It
fast.
seems it is. I mean, the cold temperature has surfaced again. It seems because you are putting that hoodie.
Because just finished. I have just finished my task, and I don't get any much time to uh,
Comb my hair.
uh,
Comb my
clear
hair.
my hair,
Okay. Okay. Or
groom my hair. So that's
yeah,
why
you can say
I took
you
this.
can say do my hair. Right. 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 Lovely.
And again, I want to ask you if I can upload your video. You are okay now?
Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Please. No issues
Why
at all.
why I want to upload your video? Because I you can see my YouTube channel and you can find I have done only for 1, 2, 3 or hardly 4 to 5, and then after I will continue with you. Okay, so I want to actually teach how the means I can't explain in my word because if I have some feelings, so that's why I can't explain my in my word. So
Sir,
that's why.
I am so sorry if I've hurt you anyway. That was actually trying to
No, no,
prank
no,
you
no, no, no,
actually
no,
initially.
no, 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 no. It's okay. It's
I
okay.
hope it has
I
not
can
gone
understand.
wrong. I thought
No,
initially
no,
I'll
no.
make a very serious face and I'll tell you, but I couldn't do that. I couldn't
No,
try
no.
that today.
I, I, I,
But you are a
I am
clever
definitely
man.
understand.
You answered me so well. Sir, you have that YouTube logo. So I got caught there only. Okay. So anyway, good. Never mind. Okay, Sudhirji,
So that's
we
why the few learner they are direct. Yes, yes, sir.
today I don't know. There is some disturbance because your video is getting frozen. Your voice is also getting muffled. Yeah, sir. Could you repeat what you said last?
Because my network issue, I see,
Uh,
I check my tower is only 3 or 4 just.
yeah, it is showing here red. You are in the red zone. Okay, no problem. Okay. So, how much attached are you with this media? I mean, news reportings. Do you really pay a lot of weightage to it? I mean, or is it something that you just watch it for the sake of watching and ignore?
Uh, Frankly speaking, I'm not watching any news channel.
Okay.
In my learning time, when I'm doing preparation of some examination,
Okay.
some services examination, so I then I reading the Hindu
Oh,
newspaper.
then I read, sir. Then I
I'm
read.
trying to reading, not reading, trying to read that
So then you don't
I
say
read
trying to reading, you
because
say,
the you know
Sudhirji, can you hear me?
yes, 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 sir.
Yeah, yeah. Can I correct you? This sentence
Yes, of
particularly.
course, of course. Yes, of
Yeah.
course.
I'm so sorry. I broke the flow of your conversation, but again I'll forget. So when you say that, what you were trying to say perhaps is, when I prepare for any competitive examination, that is when I catch up with news channels or news
Okay. When
reporting.
I prepare for any okay,
Yes, when I prepare, that is when I
okay,
catch up with news reporting or I watch channels. Otherwise, I usually don't watch. That's the best thing. Usually, you can use that adverb. Usually, yeah.
yeah. In our constitution or when I refer some books, there was mentioned the media is our fourth pillar for our
Mhm.
democracy. So the role is very important. But if you can see, and I'm not blaming any media house. Just my personal opinion. Sometimes I realize that the sometimes news are fake, or sometimes news are just speculation, or just modification by another person.
Mhm.
The truth is come outside. It's maybe hidden by someone who is the powerful man or like this.
Okay. Can I stop you here? The
Yes.
first thing, sir, just repeat, as if like a nursery kid. I'm telling you, sir, repeat this word. I mean, once I pronounce, you just repeat this word.
Okay.
Truth.
Truth.
Just listen to me one. Yeah. Just see my lips. Truth.
Truth.
Yeah. It is for you. Your teeth is coming, but just see truth.
Truth.
So it's a t and then truth.
Truth.
Lovely. Just practice it a couple of times. This word. Write it down somewhere if you can. Truth. Because when
Okay.
you are saying, it sounds a bit unnatural. I don't know why. Maybe when you watch this video, you can always see. Uh, the word is truth, sir. Okay.
Okay.
And what you can do, what you could have said is alternatively, as I always do, that the truth is always kept under the covers, you can say.
Okay.
The,
The truth.
is kept under the covers. When you say kept under the covers, it
Okay.
means something which is concealed, something which is hidden.
Yes.
When somebody doesn't want to reveal something, like हम छिपाते हैं ना sir,
Uh,
कुछ छट से under the cover, that is the kind of thing. So that's also used in English. Under the cover. So you can say the truth is generally kept under the covers. Okay. So you are not very fond of news. So that means it will be very, very silly to ask you that if you were a news reporter, then what would
no,
have
no. Of
happened?
course, of
Then,
course. No, 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 no. If I get the role of a news reporter,
uh-huh.
so definitely I can do very well task, because in my heart, in my injurious or something, there is one word, intuitions. I can
Intuition,
say
intuition,
intuition. So I can
intuition.
say okay, intuition. I can I I'm willing to work in media house as a reporter, because I have lots of the curiosity to work in. in as of in public and work is sometimes of detective role. So that's why definitely I will do that. But right now it is not my cup of tea because I am I'm
Sir,
sorry
one
I'm
small
using
correction. I can
yes.
understand. I have lots of curiosity.
Okay.
वो द नहीं आएगा सर, आर्टिकल नहीं, द नहीं आएगा उसके पहले.
Okay.
I have lots of curiosity.
Okay.
Why? Because curiosity is something which is there inside you in general.
Okay.
We use the specifically when we want to say something specific about something.
Okay. Right.
Right? You know this anyway. So this is something, and there was something which I also heard. Anyway, maybe I missed it out. And next time I have a kind and a sincere request to you, Sudhiji, that whatever the omission of prepositions and articles are happening in sentences, sometimes, as I have said, that I really don't want to stop you in between conversations, so that, you know, when somebody is making or putting an effort, then the flow has to go on. You don't disrupt unless someone is making some serious kind of mistakes, which is completely changing the meaning of the sentence. Okay. But can we do it from tomorrow maybe, that you speak a bit slow, okay? You just speak, and then I'll keep on correcting, if that is okay with you, of course. I need to seek your permission first. So for example, you are
Yes, of
saying
course.
something, and then,
Yes, yes, of course, of course.
yeah, then I can also
Yes,
correct.
of course.
Yeah, and then alternatively, I can also give you a better way of saying, which I always tell you in any case, because after you have said, I generally repeat in my own words. I didn't do it today because you were speaking it, right? Sir, Sirji, any questions for me? Anything for me?
Uh,
Anything you have been thinking?
no, right now I don't have.
Any questions?
No, no, right now I don't have any thinking, but
Okay, right now I don't have any thinking or any thoughts. I don't have any thoughts.
I don't have any thoughts.
Yeah, thinking is something which you are already thinking. So thoughts is something, a state of mind which you will have, and thought is a noun, I believe. Yeah. Okay, Sarji. Yeah, then lovely, lovely. And I didn't ask you that how did the market behave today?
Market market mode is totally bearish mode, but after
Oh,
budget definitely is goes up rocket.
oh. Could you repeat that sentence again? You wanted to say that market didn't behave as expected, but after
Market
some time, it is going to shoot up. You can say that.
okay.